Thursday at 9:54 in the morning. I got my first call of the new year, 2018. Let's get out there. Listen to this guy. Listen for it. Evaporator fan motor. We'll get it changed out. Let me find the plug on this. What are we working on? T35F. This is nice when you could just go like this to grab a motor out of your van. Boop. Digging those drawer units. Okay, so I got the fan guard off and the fan blade. See the mounting bracket? I'm gonna pull that down and show you guys the mounting bracket on these true H.V.A.C fans. It's real easy to get confused with them, how they go back together and stuff. So there's little tricks to it, how it goes on there, and I'll show you just a sec. Alright, so what you're gonna want to do is see where these went up inside the freezer. So it goes back in the same spot, or you won't get the fan blade centered. And then you could mark out how the motor lays out onto the bracket. Sometimes I put them upside down and backwards, so I know that the hole is going to go up on the one this way, on this mounting bracket. Then these are like this, and the wire is going to come out on this side to line it up. See how that sits? And then that's how I do it. Alright, I got the fan changed out. I'll hit the door switch here and we'll turn it on. Nice and quiet. Back in action. Rotation's right. So let's check the condenser and see what shape the condenser's in. I'll be damned. Clean as a whistle. Look at that. That is freaking right on. Alright, so it's an easy one today.